Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. I have the Pixel 6 Pro. We're going to be doing a gaming test and also keeping an eye on the battery. This is the first sort of proper full day I've had. It's 44% at the moment. I was up about 8 o'clock this morning. It's now 2 o'clock. I've been downloading the games and stuff ready for this gaming test, so that's drained a bit of battery. I think battery life is looking good, but I think it's going to get a big hit now once I finish these games. So there's Call of Duty, PUBG, Need for Speed. There is Minecraft on there as well, but it works. I'm still getting to grips with that game. But those three are the main sort of games. They're the most popular sort of games. Call of Duty, PUBG, and Need for Speed. Interestingly enough, Asphalt 9 you cannot download from the Google Play Store. That's not available. Bit of a bummer, but I'm guessing it's something to do with the new Tensor chip. Maybe not compatible or something. So an update to the Asphalt 9 should make it available for the Pixel 6 Pro soon enough. One thing I wanted to ask, Google, why do you not have a clear all here? Why do I have to go all the way to here and do it there? Especially when you've got hundreds of pages open. It's a pain in the bum. So, yep, 44% battery. I do have a heat gun as well. So I will test the temperature at the end, see how hot it gets. So, let's jump in. So we're going to start off with Need for Speed No Limits. The display looks absolutely stunning. So it makes gaming even more better. Even more better? Even better. Stereo speakers, so we've got there and well, it's there, the top one, that's the main one, so I'm not covering it there really. So let's just have a race. Okay guys, here we go. Whee. Easy peasy. Everything seemed to run nice and smooth there, no problem at all. Graphically looked excellent. Let's go again. Yeah, it's all looking good, feels good, sounds good. Well, a bit dark there the game is, isn't it? But it's nighttime driving. That's good. Call of Duty. Okay, so in terms of graphics, we have very high graphics quality and maximum frame rate, realistic graphic style. And I've turned on all these extra bits as well. So everything pretty much to the max. Let's see how we get on. Let's go. So a lovely glossy screen. My thumbs are gliding perfectly on this. Boom, graphics look fantastic. Feels really smooth. Bush, bush, nice. Yeah, really loving the experience straight away. Straight off the bat, as they say in America. Straight off the bat, we can tell that, yeah, gaming experience, especially on this, smooth as hell. Looks really good too. And obviously I'm using the easy auto fire, which, yeah, I am cheating, but... Oh, get out. Boosh. Boosh. Yeah, really enjoying it. Really, I don't know why I'm so overexcited. You gonna get anything? Yeah, it's just maybe because I haven't died yet. I mean, look, yeah, the graphics. Yeah, smooth. Fantastic gaming experience on the Pixel 6 Pro. Here we go. Oh. Through the stairs. It's not working through the stairs. I feel like Terminator. I haven't died yet, have I? Oh, quick. Yeah, just wait a minute while I just send rockets to your teammates, then come back and shoot me. Whoa. Oh, victory. Fantastic. That, guys, I cannot stress enough, was a fantastic gaming experience. Glossy, glossy display, thumbs glided over there. Just feels so nice to hold. Smooth gameplay, amazing graphics. Yeah. Score 2,150. 22 kills. Look at that. Hey? Professional Call of Duty player me. Yeah, whatever. Right, PUBG. In terms of heat. Let's have a look here, shall we? 37.7 in this area, 37.9 or 38. So it seems to be hotter around this camera housing here, like 39 around there. What about down here? 39. Let's have a look. What about over the left here? Anything here? No. Yeah, so it seems to be, guys, around this area here is most of the heat is coming from. 39.7-ish. Let's see what it's like after we've done, yeah, you can actually feel it there actually. It's not really hot, it's not uncomfortable to hold. Okay, so let's have a look what settings we have available on PUBG. Wow, this has changed, graphics. Okay, so we have frame rate ultra. We can have that on straight away. And what can we go up to here? HDR, yes. Ultra. This option will be available soon. Yeah, whatever. UHD coming soon. So HDR and ultra frame rate. Classic. I like realistic. And everything to be realistic. Anti-aliasing, effective immediately, makes the texture smooth, but increases battery consumption. Coming soon 4 times. Oh, so I can have up to 2 times. We'll have that 2 times. Shadows, yeah. Brightness is fine. Auto adjust graphics automatically lower setting FPS. No. I don't want auto adjust frame rate. I want the full max. Going hard on the 6 Pro. Right, let's jump into a game then. New settings have been applied. Reduce the frame rate if it fluctuates. That's fine. I'm sure we'll be fine. Okay, so we are diving straight in. If you've noticed up here, I've just went into developer options and turned on display refresh rate. This is only the refresh rate of the screen. It's not the FPS, obviously, of the actual game. But we can see it's running at a full 120 there, so just keep an eye on that every now and again. Okay, so we have landed. Let's see if we can get some weapons and whatnot. Graphically looks excellent. Again, smooth. Nice. That PUBG is a long game. It can take up to half an hour sometimes. Right, here we go. What's this? I've got a pistol. A pistol. It's a start. Put your gun away, mate. That's it. Swing your arms back and forth. Really sprint for it. Right, let's get your pistol out ready, boy. Just in case we have any enemies here. Let's see what's up here. What the hell's that? Shotguns. Shotgun shells. Put your gun away, look like an idiot. That's more like it. That is more like it. So that says to me, this area hasn't been covered or touched yet. Ah, what's this? A go-kart. Wicked. Let's get in that. Drive. Which way are we heading, boys? That way? Yeah. Let's go. Speed boost. Let's do full speed. See how well the smartphone handles this. Obviously the terrain is refreshing. It's going a lot faster. It's looking good, guys. Really nice, smooth gameplay. Lovely graphics. Yeah, it's looking good. Where are we? Oh, we're not even in the middle yet, are we? Let's keep driving. I think if I just park my car up here, there's got to be some action around here at some point. Who's that? Are they shooting at me? Oh yeah, there we go, there he is. God, took me a while. First kill. There's one up there. It's my car, mate. Oh crap. I'm down. I'm dead. Well, I'm disappointed. But gameplay was absolutely fine on the Pixel 6 Pro. Let's have a temperature check. So it was about 39, wasn't it? What it was at? If anything, it's cooled down. Which is a bit odd. Yeah, okay, well, that's right. So it seems to be sort of keeping a sort of a constant temperature, which is good. Let's have a look down the bottom here. Yeah. Okay, so that's good. I mean, there's no overheating issues. So, I mean, that's 39. It's going up a little bit now, actually. Now I've stopped playing, which is weird. But, okay, so it's not going above 40. So that pretty much concludes the gaming test. the Pixel 6 Pro absolutely managed and smashed through all the games that I played, them 3 there. Look, it's dropped down to 60 Hz now until you touch it. Yeah, 120 Hz. Like I said, I've just downloaded Minecraft and installed it because it's the top game on the App Store. So do you know what? I thought I'd download it, even though I don't really play it, but I'm gonna sort of practice and get to grips with it. But you can do servers and stuff like this. But obviously this is going to work absolutely fine on the Pixel 6 Pro. Looks really nice. Again, it says fluctuating between 60 and 120 Hz refresh rate on the phone. But yeah, you can see it's going to be no real problems at all, really. A bit used to get used to the controls a little bit, but you know, I don't understand the whole fuss with Minecraft. I really do not understand it, but it's like one of the most popular games on the App Store for the paid games. So you know what? Let's give it a go. Look at it. Ridiculous, isn't it? Little blocks. It's like Roblox as well. It's the same sort of, similar sort of idea, I suppose. Different worlds and all that. Constantly 120 Hz refresh rate as well, like you can see. But yeah, maybe once I get a little bit better at playing it, I can really test it out for you. That's if anyone's interested in Minecraft on the Pixel 6 Pro, but we'll see. If there's a demand for it, then I'll keep playing it. But okay, so yeah, Pixel 6 Pro with the new Tensor chip, or Tensor, however you want to say it. Yeah, it works absolutely fine. Heat-wise, was fine as well. It didn't go above 40. It was like 39, I think, the max. So yeah, no problems with any overheating or anything like that. The RAM in here as well handles it fine. Yeah, so perfect. Pixel 6 Pro smashes it at gaming. Thank you all very much for watching. Please do consider subscribing if you do like this content. Also, I do have a membership, so you can join the channel. It's only 99p a month. You know, it's not much for most people, 99p a month, and every month I will sort of record, or I do sort of record me messing around on the camera when I'm setting up camera and the microphone. You know, I do sort of warm up a little bit, so I do talk a load of crap sometimes. Some of it might be funny, it might not, but every month you'll get to see one of those videos. And also shout out to all my current members on the channel. So yeah, if you want to do that, check out the join button down below. But yeah, thank you very much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all soon. Bye bye.